Hello friends, welcome to new video. In today's video I will explain research and scientific method. Let's start with research. Research is basically an inquiry into the nature of, the reason for, and the consequences of any particular set of circumstances, whether these circumstances are experimentally controlled or recorded just as they occur. Let's move towards scientific method. The scientific method is based on following postulates. 1. It lies on experimental evidence. 2. It utilizes relevant concepts. 3. It is committed to only objective considerations. 4. It results into probabilistic predictions. 5. It aims at formulating most general axioms, or what can be termed as scientific theories.